Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will help you make delicious tuna pasta. To start, select high-quality canned tuna, preferably packed in olive oil, as this adds a rich depth of flavor. Next, choose a pasta shape that can really hold onto the sauce, like fusilli or penne. Gather fresh herbs such as parsley or dill, and ensure you have a good quality extra virgin olive oil on hand. These foundational ingredients are key to a truly satisfying dish. Now let's get cooking. Boil your pasta in well-salted water until it's perfectly al dente, which means it still has a slight bite. While the pasta cooks, drain your canned tuna, but remember to reserve about 1/4 cup of the oil for later. Gently flake the tuna into a bowl. Then, finely chop your aromatics, such as 1 clove of garlic and half an onion, to build a flavorful base. It's time to build our delicious sauce. In a pan, sauté your chopped garlic and onion in a tablespoon of olive oil until they are fragrant and softened. Next, add about 1 cup of diced tomatoes or 2 tablespoons of tomato paste for a rich, savory depth. Stir in the flaked tuna and the reserved tuna oil. Finally, add a splash of the starchy pasta water to create a wonderfully creamy and cohesive sauce. Almost there. Drain your al dente pasta and immediately add it to the pan with your tuna sauce. Toss everything together until the pasta is evenly coated. Finish with a generous sprinkle of fresh herbs like parsley and a bright squeeze of lemon juice. Season with salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. Serve your delicious tuna pasta immediately to enjoy its optimal flavor and texture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.